Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to deposit crypto from any crypto exchange to RedotPay. It's pretty simple and easy. I'm going to use Binance in this tutorial. So first of all, go to RedotPay. If you don't have one, go create an account from the link in the description. You will get $5 as a gift. After that, make sure your account is verified. I will leave the video in description of how to verify your identity in RedotPay. Now if your account is all set, go to the home menu. You can see dashboard. In the dashboard you can see the plus button, deposit, click it, and then we must choose your currency. I'm going to choose USDT. Choose based on what you have in the crypto exchange. After that you select the method, either crypto or third-party payment. I recommend selecting crypto because it has approximately no fees. You can select PayPal, Skrill, Nettler, or even you can pay with your credit debit card. I'm going to select USDT on-chain deposit. After that you must select the network. I'm going to choose BNB Smart Chain here, BEP20. As you can see, minimum deposit is 1 USDT. After that you can see this address, you copy it. This is your wallet address. Go to your crypto exchange, go to Binance. After that go to withdraw, select withdraw and select USDT. Select send via crypto network. In the address you paste the address you've copied before, and in the network make sure to choose the same network you chose before, otherwise you will lose your money. Choose how much amount you want to withdraw. We have a minimum of $10 here, so I chose 10. Double check your wallet address if it's correct or not. If all information are good, just select withdraw. To confirm your order, you can triple check your address. After that click confirm. As you can see, the network fee is 0 USDT. Now this is very important, so an email will be sent to you to verify your identity. Make sure to copy paste the code. After that, as you can see, withdrawal processing. Go to RedotPay. As you can see, last 10 in pending. Just wait for a moment for the block confirmation, and as you can see, deposit successful, last 10 USDT. Select OK. The balance is added. Success. If you go back to Binance, it will be -10. And this is pretty simple and easy on how to send and withdraw crypto. And that's it. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.